How to show or hide your store products price on Bigcommerce isn't quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it. First open your browser and then once you're here click settings and then scroll down until you find display, or you can just type here display and then click on it, and that's it. Now scroll down until you find the product settings, and here you will find show products price, and now if you want to hide it, just turn it off, and you can turn it on again if you want, and then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.